In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a looping video play in Adobe XD. Start by opening Adobe XD and creating a new document. Pick an artboard size that fits your project so you can see how the video will sit in your final layout. With the document open, bring your footage in by going to File. Then Import. Select your MP4 video from your computer. Once it's placed on the canvas, you can position it where you want. If you need to, you can resize the video by dragging the corners so it fits the design, but keep the proportions in mind so it doesn't look distorted. Now, let's configure the video settings in design mode. Click to select the video, then look over to the right side of the screen in the Properties Inspector. Find the video section and click the Edit Playback button to open the heads-up display. Here, toggle the Loop Playback option on so the video restarts automatically when it reaches the end. Also choose Play Automatically, so it begins as soon as the artboard loads. This combination ensures the video starts without user interaction and keeps going indefinitely. Next, set up the loop interaction in prototype mode. Switch from design to prototype at the top of the app. Select your video again. In the Properties Inspector, click the plus button or drag the blue arrow from the video onto the same artboard it already sits on. For the interaction, set the trigger to End of Playback. This tells XD to fire the interaction the moment the video finishes. Set the action to either transition or auto-animate. For a simple loop, either will work. But we want it to feel instant and invisible. So set the destination to the same artboard and make sure the animation option is set to none. That way, here is no fade or movement between cycles and the loop feels continuous. Time to preview. Click the desktop preview button, the small play icon in the upper right to test your looping video. It should start playing automatically, reach the end, and jump right back to the beginning with no visible cut. If it doesn't loop, double-check that the trigger is set to End of Playback. The destination is the same artboard, and both loop playback and play automatically are enabled in the video settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.